that face to face, it crushes it for everybody.
Big time.
Yeah.
You know, it's funny. Gabe and I actually just did a presentation for an affiliate group yesterday. And one of the biggest things was just networking, getting out there and actually meeting people.
Yep.
I know all those old school guys like to say press the flesh, but man, that shit goes so far.
Yeah, it sure does. And nobody, like, you know what we do that's really huge inside of our companies that is similar to what we're talking about right now is I think our culture is so strong because once a year I write a letter to everybody inside my company and I let them know why
Like
I'm
individual?
so handwritten. Yep, not typed up, not on a computer, not an email, not a text. I literally handwrite them a letter and I send it to them. And the feeling and the meaning of that is huge, right? That I actually took time out of my day to do that, that they get something that they don't normally get. Like what you're saying, face to face is huge because most people don't do that.
Totally.
Most people email, right? And then if you're lucky, maybe you get a text, but it's not the same as looking somebody in the eye. It's not the same as breaking bread with somebody. When you're doing a big deal, we just finished the negotiation of this wonderful company. I can't wait to integrate them into our culture. But that was mostly done over lunches. Like when you break bread with people, you're able to get through all the bullshit in business.
No, agreed, big time, man.
Yeah.
You know, so actually, much easier to get insight into businesses and what people are doing face to face. Like that's why like I love going to these affiliate shows and stuff like that, because you meet all these people and maybe online you don't really get much information, or you don't have like people kind of hold their cards close to their chest or whatever. But then when you're face to face, like people are open to just share.
Yeah. Yeah. And with the secret is usually the more time you spend with somebody, the more they just all of a sudden are like, oh, you know what? Let me tell you.
Yeah.
This is why I really do this. And it's wonderful. You get a chance to bond.
No, absolutely.
And I'm like that too. Like I'll gladly give up any information. I don't care, man. I'm not hiding anything.
You give 2 drinks, get whatever you want.
Dude, you don't even need to give me a drink. I'm good.